Daring with Dare, exploring semi-modal verbs. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on modal verbs. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a fascinating semi-modal verb, dare. You will see how flexible and versatile this word can be, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll dare to use dare more often in your conversations. Dare is a unique verb in the English language. As a semi-modal verb, it doesn't behave exactly like other regular verbs or modal verbs. It has a couple of different uses, but generally, it implies a sense of courage, challenge, or risk-taking. For example, we often use dare in contexts where we're talking about something that might be scary, risky, or against the norm. As a semi-modal verb, dare can be used similarly to other modal verbs like can, should, or might. For example, you might say, I daren't say a word, which is equivalent to saying, I dare not say a word. In this context, dare implies a sense of fear or risk. You're saying that it would be risky or dangerous for you to speak. Remember, when dare is used as a semi-modal, it does not usually take to after it. So, we say, I dare not speak, rather than, I dare to not speak. Dare can also be used as a regular verb. In this case, it is followed by an infinitive with to. For example, she dared to speak out against the injustice. When used this way, dare often implies a sense of courage or defiance. In our example, the person is courageously speaking out against something wrong, despite potential risks. Dare has some interesting negative and interrogative forms. For negatives, you can say, I dare not, or I daren't. These forms are somewhat formal and more common in British English. In questions, dare can behave like a modal verb. For example, dare we speak against the injustice? Here, dare suggests a challenge or a risky proposition. Dare is indeed an intriguing verb with its dual life as a regular and a semi-modal verb. I hope this video helps clarify its usage for you, and I challenge you, I dare you, to try and use it in your next English conversation. Remember, language learning is all about daring to make mistakes and learning from them. Until our next video, keep practicing and happy learning.